Yeah, thanks. So guys, let's understand the basic structure of the market. Okay, how price actions created in the market, how price is moving. So let's understand a equity analysis. Okay, it can be done in two part. First one is fundamental analysis, second one is a technical analysis. Okay, I'm giving a brief background. This fundamental analyst will do the company or business analysis. Okay, he will do the business analysis. He can do in two ways. He will firstly create the equity research. Okay, and based on it equity research, he will do the equity valuation, like what will be the value of this business after 5 years. So he will do the valuation analysis also. When he do equity research, he will do in the two ways. First one is the quantitative way, and second option to do equity research is the qualitative. And a equity research or a research analyst do all these things. Okay, so how a fundamental analysis is done, I'm just giving a brief background, so let's understand this. in quantitative in quantitative analysis, a research analyst will collect all the company data related to sales, net profit, company margin. He will do the return on equity analysis, return on capital employed, profit price to earning ratio, price to book value ratio, current asset ratio, all the ratio, everything he will do in the quantitative analysis. Then in the qualitative analysis, he will do about the company management, how well is the management, what is the integrity of the company, how the management, like what is their education qualification. Okay, and then also one more parameters in qualitative analysis come the ESG parameter. Companies environmentally good, social governance wise, how is the company. Okay, so all these things are done by the research analyst. Now based on these data, he will prepare a report. And apart from this, he will also do the equity valuation, like he will go into the future and he will tell you after 5 years the company valuation will be this much. Based on this valuation, he will identify the present value of the stock. Like this, there are some financial modeling. You must have heard about the dividend discount model, dividend cash flow model. Based on these models, this research analyst will tell you that this is the fair price of the company. Okay, so the fair price of the company is called as the intrinsic value. Okay, just listen me carefully. That's this intrinsic value. This research analyst done all the hard work, collect company data, employee data, everything. And he, in the research report, he mentioned that, let's say Reliance, he found that Reliance company intrinsic value is 1000. Okay, the current price of the Reliance is 1500. So he will say that this stock is currently overvalued, means the fair price is 1000 but the Reliance stock is 1500. So he will say that this Reliance company valuation is the overvalued, so he will recommend that sell in his research report. But this research report is not easily available to us. Okay, we are the retail investors, we are not having a big giant. This research report can be sold in 5 to 6 lakh rupees to big FIIs or DIIs. Okay, this research report is very private, and these research report which have all the very hard work, all the efforts, so this research report are not easily available to us. But these FIIs and DIIs will buy this stock in the truckload quantity. Okay, so when they buy this stock in truckload quantity, there will be some pattern in the chart. Okay, there will be some price action created in the chart because they're buying in the truckload quantity. There will be some levels in the chart that previously the Reliance is not able to break this level. Two times it is not able to break this level, but third time it finally break this level. So be as a technical analyst, what we will do, be as a technical analyst, we will not do these things. We will neither study about the company business, we will not do anything related to fundamental analysis. Okay, we will just follow the FIIs and DIIs or high net individual birth, or whatever you can say, like mutual fund, high net, ultra net worth. These people's will create a chart pattern, they will create a price action on the chart, and we will study this price action. As a technical analyst, we are just focusing on the price. Okay, we do not have anything related to the company business. We will just follow the price. If a price is breaking out the level, we will study this. Okay, we will study this, why, like, this is breaking out this level, that means something is happening in the chart. That means some research report is like FIIs and DIIs got some research report from the research analyst. That means they are buying the stock and they are creating the levels on the chart. Okay, is it clear to everyone? So if I say f this one is a fundamental analyst. Okay, on the right side is a technical analyst. So we are just doing copy and paste. Okay, so fundamental analyst will do all the hard work. We will just copy and paste their action. We will not focus on the why this chart pattern has been created. We will focus on what is happening in the market. If this stock is suddenly breaking this level, okay, if this stock is some price action has created like this, okay, if this stock is third time breaking this level, so we will simply see that this is a breakout, and we will also enter into this party. So we will not question why this is happening. We will just focus what is happening in the price, in the on the price chart. Okay, are you getting me? So fundamental analyst will do all the hard work. Technical analyst will do simply smart work, or whatever the price action has been created by this fundamental analyst, we will just simply study the price action. जो भी प्राइस एक्शन फंडामेंटल एनालिस्ट क्रिएट करेगा बेस्ड ऑन डिमांड एंड सप्लाई, फंडामेंटल एनालिस्ट के पास ही होता है कि कौन सा जोन अंडर वैल्यूड है, कौन सा ओवर वैल्यूड है. जो रिसर्च रिपोर्ट बताती है कि ये जोन ओवर अंडर वैल्यूड है, this is the overvalued zone. We don't know the overvalued and undervalued zone, but we know if a stock is crossing this level, we can enter into this party, right? We can also make the position. Okay, so in simply word, if I say a technical analyst, what a technical analyst will do, simply just remember, technical analyst will study the price action. This is a definition, standard definition. Study the price action created by whom? Created by FIIs and DIIs. Why this pattern is created? Because research reports are publishing. They are buying the research report from a research analyst in lakhs of rupees. So this created by FI and DIIs because of demand and supply, because of demand and supply of the stock, and they know exactly at what level stock become undervalued and at what level stock become overvalued. Because of demand and supply, FI and DI is creating a chart pattern. We are studying the price action. Not only we are studying the price action, we are also predicting the future price movement. This is our work as a technical analyst. Our work is to predict the future price movement based on the study of price action. Is it clear to everyone?
Sir, I have one doubt. Uh,
Yeah.
I mean, will you be going to cover like I mean, what basically is FII and DI and how we can identify them?
No,
Sorry,
no.
it's a bit.
Simply, this is a technical analysis class, so we will just simply see the price of a stock.
Okay,
We will not cover anything because I am telling you that FIIs will create this price only.
okay,
This price action will only be created by big people. Me and you cannot move the stock even 1 or 2%.
okay,
So this
okay,
price action is very important to study. and
right.
this price action or price ka data is available 24 hours to NSE website. They can hide the research report to us, but they cannot hide this price action. Okay, so we are going to study this price action only. So in the technique, now just also remember that in the technical analysis world, there are three assumptions. Okay, these assumptions, you just keep in mind that price discount everything. Okay, price discount everything means price is right. you have to check the price. Always believe on the price, that whatever price you are seeing on the stock, it is right. Okay. Sometime what happens, a company announce their financial result, and you see that financial result are very good, but stock price is going down, because big people has already bought this stock. When the result is coming, they are selling the stock. So stock is going down when the, because price has already discounted these result into earlier. Okay, result is coming in the December, price has already discounted this result in the October month. These result are going to come, so it discount everything, it absorb everything. So we do not need to care about the company result, net profit, if you are a technical analyst. Okay. So price discount everything, and second assumption is price move in trend. Price always moves in trend, and we will see this trend only in the upcoming class. Price doesn't move randomly. Whenever price is moving, it is not a random movement, some trend is creating, there is a some trend in the price. So price move in trend, and third assumption is trend repeat themselves. Okay, these are the three assumptions in technical analysis. So in this, I just told you the importance of technical analysis. Why we are doing a technical analysis? Because we cannot do fundamental and real fundamental analysis. That's why we are doing the technical analysis, and it is very easy. I will teach you how to read a price action, how to identify the trend. If you be with me in this technical analysis course, I will teach you each and everything. So I will make you a like beginner, or you can say intermediate level technical analysis. I will like you can master in the chart if you are in advanced course, but in the beginner course, at least you will get some sense of the market, you will get some sense. Okay. So let me see if you have any kind of doubt. So let me read your chat. Okay.
Sharmaji, I have a question.
Yes, yes, please ask.
There are hundreds of shares in the market, so we have to concentrate on each share to do this one, or is there any
No,
software it will give all the results?
no, actually, if there are many shares, but technical analysis will work very effectively in the most 200 stocks based on the market cap. So you can make a list of these 200 stock in your Excel. I will also share that Excel with you. I already have these Excels stocks. So in Excels, whenever you see some movement of the stocks, then on that stock you need to do the technical analysis, because it is very difficult if you are doing the technical analysis in all those stocks. Whenever you see some price movement, stock is going 5 to 10%, or stock is showing some candles that are decision making. So in those stocks you have to apply your technical analysis. In those stocks you have to identify which trend is following. Okay, is there any breakout or breakdown is happening? I hope is it clear.
So, okay, sir. It's using Excel, we can do all this one.
Using Excel,
Thank
yes,
you.
yes, you can automate your like you can make your life easy.
Thank you, Ji.
Okay, so hope recording is session. Yeah, this session is already been on recorded. So okay,
Sharmaji, one query
let's
on the
yes.
chart you had drawn here on the whiteboard. If you can go slightly up,
Yeah.
yeah, here only. So here, no, bottom, little bit on the bottom.
Here, this one.
Yes, yeah, bottom, slight bottom.
Oh,
This is also fine. Yeah, this is also fine. So
okay.
here you mentioned, I am annotating, which I'll clear later. So here you mentioned once it will break this point, we can,
Yeah,
buy it. But
yeah,
my query is, say on the bottom side also, when it takes maybe support, or I am not sure what's the right
yes,
word, from
yes.
here and start going up, whether that will also be a right entry point.
No. Actually, I'm just telling you that these supports are creating by these support are creating because of can you allow me? I think
Yes, yes, I cleared it.
okay. Okay, you clear everything, I think. Okay. So I'm just telling you these support are creating based on the demand and supply. And these levels are known to FIA. Like these are suppose this is a level. So you are asking me whether you should buy on the support or resistance. Okay.
Mhm.
So
Right.
okay.
If
Just
I can add something,
yeah.
can I add something?
Yeah. Please.
Yeah, sure. So the best thing that we can do is like identify the supports first, okay? Then you mark the support levels, okay? Then wait for the signal that confirms you the reversal trend,
Yeah,
okay?
yeah, yeah.
Then you make an entry. That is the 100%, or I would say 80% accurate thing that confirms that you can make an entry. Not 100%ly directly go and jump into buy when the support enters at the support level, okay, when the stock enters the support level. But the best thing is like you identify the reversal, okay, it has given the reversal, and then that is the time that you can make an entry.
Yeah, yeah, that's also a good point. But these all things we are going to cover in upcoming classes. So all of you have those you have having doubt these kinds of things. So we'll cover all these things in the upcoming class also. Okay. So let's start. After that, firstly, I will like there are in the market in the if you see in the market there are first one is the volume and second is the price. As a technical analyst, we have these two things only. Volume means the quantity, how many quantities a stock is trading. Let's say A is buying 100 shares from B. Suppose this is a B, so the volume का quantity is 100, not 200. A is buying 200 shares from B. It means volume is simply 100. If it is buying or if stock is going up, so the volume bar color will be green. So just remember, in volume you just need to make sure like you just need to take care of the quantity, not the color of the volume bar. So it's just a quantity. And price, in price if you see I will come into the I will come on the later on this price. So let's understand what is the importance of the volume. So this is very important. Let's say a stock is going up. Let's say a stock is going up and up. Okay, it is forming higher high and higher low. A stock price is going up, but if you see the volume is always denoted by the column chart. So remember, this price this is the price chart. It I am denoting the line chart, and the volume chart is always denoted by the column chart. So if it is stock on this day stock is going up, so I will denote is that just simply a green color column and then simply a red color. Okay, so for easy understanding I am saying, so that I can clear the concept. Suppose I'm not using the color because color doesn't matter in volume. It's just a quantity matter. Suppose volume is declining. Okay, stock price is going up, but volume is declining. Price is going up, okay, but volume is going down. So it means this trend that has this trend, this is an uptrend, but this uptrend is not real. This is a fake uptrend. It means this uptrend is not going to sustain because volume is declining. Why I am saying this? Because when the stock price is going up, let's say stock is jumped from 90 rupees to 100 rupees. Okay, but this at 100 rupees volume has declined. It means those who are buying this stock at 100 rupees, they are not comfortable, they are not confident. That's why volume has declining, because volume means quantity, in how many quantity you are buying this stock. So price you have pumped up, from 90 to 100, but volume is declining, means people are buying the stock but they are not confident. They are not confident enough to buy the stock at 100 rupees. They are thinking that at 100 this stock is looking expensive to me, and when it become 120, again the volume is decline. At 120 volume is decline. So volume is declining means this uptrend is not going to sustain. As soon as when the volume will rise, this uptrend will reverse into the downtrend. So that's why I am saying volume must rise. Okay, whenever you see a uptrend, if you want to confirm the uptrend, you just see the volume column chart. Volume should rise, volume must rise. Okay, let me give you another example. Even if it is a downtrend, okay, uh, suppose stock is going down, price is going down, and volume is going down. I am denoting like this. Okay, suppose volume is going down. Can you tell me this downtrend is real or this downtrend is real or fake? Can anybody tell me this
Real.
this
It's
downtrend is
real only.
no, this is a fake downtrend. This is not a real downtrend. Let's understand why this is fake downtrend. Because see, stock is going down, it is creating lower low and lower low. Stock is 80, 100 is, so this is 80, this is 60, this is 40. But at 40, people are thinking that this stock is become over undervalued, very cheap. That's why volume is declined. So it's 40 level पे जो those who are selling at 40 level, they are thinking that stock price is like very cheap. This can go into upper side. That's why this volume is declining. This must be a real downtrend when volume is up, volume is also increasing, means people are selling this stock 80, 60 and 40, बट क्वांटिटी भी बढ़ रहा है. 40 पे भी जो लोग सेल कर रहे हैं उनकी क्वांटिटी भी ज़्यादा है. दैट मीन्स दिस डाउन ट्रेंड इज रियल. रियल में डाउन ट्रेंड है. रियल में पीपल आर डेस्परेट टू सेल दिस स्टॉक. अदरवाइज वॉल्यूम इज डिक्लाइनिंग. लाइक यहाँ पे 1 लाख लोगों ने सेल किया, यहाँ पे सेल होते होते ओनली 20,000 लोग सेल कर रहे हैं. इट मीन्स लोगों के सेलिंग की जो क्वांटिटी है वो कम होती जा रही है. पीपल्स थिंक अगर ये 40 से 10 पे आ गया तो तुरंत लोग बाई कर लेंगे. इट विल एंटर इनटू द अंडर इट विल एंटर इनटू द अंडर वैल्यू जोन. इट विल, यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड क्रिएट हो सकती है. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? वाई दिस इज फेक ट्रेंड? वाई volume is telling you that this trend is sooner or later will convert into the upward trend.
सर
So
प्राइस नीचे आ रहा है तो लोग भी ज्यादा बेचने चाहिए.
yes, exactly. अगर आपको एंट्री लेना है तो never take entry when you are seeing the decline in the volume, because this might be a fake signal. This might be a fake, and you can entrap. You can take entry if volume is like this. You can definitely take entry. If let's say, now it will be easy to understand. Okay, let us understand how volume is telling you real or the mentality of the people. Let's understand if the volume is also rising. Okay, if the volume is also rising, sometimes this happen. If the volume is, it means people are very desperate to sell this stock even at 10 rupees, because they are thinking that this stock might go to zero. So if quantity is also increasing when the price is rising, it means this is a real downtrend. Okay, so just write, you can note it down. Volume must rise to confirm the trend. Either downtrend you want to confirm or the uptrend, doesn't matter. Volume must rise. Is it clear?
Sir, one doubt. You on the previous slide you mentioned that charts. So
Yeah.
on one more previous one. This above, little bit above.
Yeah.
This particular and red bars, those are we can see in the applications, right? Zero the and
Yeah,
if
in the, yes.
the volume is high, that means it's a volume. I mean, you are basically saying that's a volume exactly, right?
Yeah, volume. Volume quantity.
Y is basically volume and X is our price, right?
Yes. This is our, like, this is our price, and this is a volume chart. I am saying, means you can draw this on the price chart only. Volume is a different chart. Volume is a column chart. This is a price chart. On y-axis you are seeing the price. On x-axis you are seeing the day on which day this volume is created. Day, or you can say on minute by whatever time frame you are using. But volume doesn't have anything related to price. It's just a quantity. Is on this day people have bought in 1 lakh quantity. On this day this stock is bought into 2 lakh quantity. That's a simple.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. I would request you that this meeting will end in like 8 to 9 minutes. So I would request you please join on the same link again. We will be here only. We will meet here because I'm not using the Zoom Pro subscription. So please join this link back. Okay. So now after volume is just to take the confirmation of your trend. Okay. Now let us discuss the candles. Okay. So see, in a candle, like a Japanese candle, if you see a standard Japanese candle, let's say this is a open price and this is a close. During the day, stock made a high at this point. During the day, stock made a low. Let's say if this is a 90 rupees, this is 100 rupees, this is 120, and this is 114. Okay, this is a simple and standard Japanese candle. Okay. So in this body, body means this is the body of the candle. Body means close or open ka difference. Or you can say if it is a red candle, so it would be open and close ka difference, vice versa. And big means this range, high to low. This is the range, or you can say this is a big. Okay, big means high and low ka difference. So body denote you the strength, and weak make a stock weak. More the wick, more it will be the weak. More more the candle body size, it will be the strong. Okay. Now a a mathematical term is also there, body to wick ratio. It's very simple. In this, if I want to calculate the body to wick ratio, I would calculate the body ka size divided by wick ka size. So body ka size is simple, 120 minus 100, 20 rupees की body है. विक का साइज कितना है, 140 माइनस 90, सो 50 रुपीज की बॉडी है, विक है, सॉरी. सो इफ यू कैलकुलेट दिस विल बी अराउंड 40%, if I am not wrong. So body to big ratio is 40%. I will use this terminology later, so I am just telling you this terminology earlier so that you don't confuse. Just remember body big, body to big ratio. So in the candle, how a candle form?
Can you please explain once again the
See,
body to big?
suppose this is a candle. Okay, this is a open price, this is a close price, and this is a low, and this is a high. The color of this candle will be green or red? Green or red?
Green.
Green. Red.
Oh, somebody
Green.
saying green, somebody saying red. If
Yeah,
if
green.
if
Green
stock is open at 9:15 at this level, stock is closing and 3:15 at the end of the day here open to, so it would definitely be green, right?
Yeah.
So because closing price is higher than the open price, during the day bears dominate the stock and they took this stock to this level, this low. But what happened in this candle, what is happening, I am telling you. See, stock open at this level. During the day stock went to this level, it hit some resistance. At this point demand exceed the supply. Okay, at this point demand exceed the supply. Then bulls came into the picture. Again they are taking this stock from this level to this level, and they close this, they close the stock higher than the opening price. Okay, so can anybody tell me in this game finally who won the game? Bulls won or bears won? If I
Bulls
ask
won.
bulls or bears, who is dominating?
Bulls.
Bulls, bulls.
Bulls are dominating, because bulls are the laughter in this game. They are taking the taking the stock from this level to this level. So it means bulls are dominating, and they close at the end of the day, they close the stock at this level. So this candle is showing the bullishness in the market. Do you agree? This candle is showing the high bullishness in the market. Okay, if I plot, let's say if I plot red candle, let's say if I plot this candle, this is the low, this is the open price of the stock open at this point, stock close at the end of the day at this level, let's say 120, 100, and this is 60. At this point resistance came. Again bulls dominate. Again at this point bulls dominate. They are pumping the price, keep upping the price during the day, and they close the stock at this point. So even if it is a red candle, can you tell me who is winning this game? Bulls or bears? Bulls versus bears. If I ask you
Bull.
who is dominating in this game, bulls are dominating. In this game also bulls are dominating. The matter is, fact is that this is having a long lower shadow. This in these two candles, this is having a long lower shadow. This is the fact that this is showing the bullishness in the market, because long lower shadow saying that bulls are coming and taking the stock from the bear zone and closing the stock and Finally, bulls are winning in this match, you can say. So whenever you see long lower shadow, whenever you see, just remember, whenever you see long lower shadow means low is very low, like open close, even if it is a green or red color, that's why I am denoting it's a black color. Here color doesn't matter, color will not matter. You can write it that in long lower shadow color does not matter, it will show the bullishness in the market. Means whenever this candle form, you can take trade. I am saying it is not forming a trend, but this is showing the reversal. This can show the reversal, like this candle form in the market, it is showing the bullishness. Or now let us discuss different kinds of other candles also, then I'll summarize. Can a candle form like this in the market? This is a simple candle, right? This is a open price, this is a close, this is high, this is low, this is a simple candle.
Yes, it can.
Yes, what this candle is telling you, this candle, in this candle stock is open here, यहाँ पे stock open हुआ let's say 80, and bulls are completely dominating. Not even a single point they are giving a chance to bears. They are simply taking the price to, during the day they are taking the price to higher level, and they close the stock here also, close price 100. There is no lower big, there is no upper big, means bulls are completely dominating in this game. Bulls, they are not giving a single chance bears to play the price. So simply this is the strongest candle of the stock market. You can write this is the strongest candle when there is no wick, only body. This is the strongest candle of stock market. The name of this candle is Marubozu.